What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a video that I've been waiting a while to do. I'm gonna do a keycap change on the Ducky One to Mini. I'm gonna try to keep it as quick as possible. You guys got the top view, side view with the iPhone, and for this video I'm gonna do just the outer keycaps, and then the inner ones I'll probably focus on later by myself or either in a video. So let's go ahead and get started. Unplug the keyboard, and I'm going to show you guys how to take off a keycap. You guys get this little I don't know if you guys can see it that well. It's this little keycap thingy that comes with the actual keyboard, and it's pretty simple. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can kind of like open it a bit, and you can just slide it into one of the keys like that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not on each angle, and then just make sure it fits the actual key pretty good. I think for the most part it does, and then you can just pull up and it comes off pretty easy. And there's one key. Those are the brown switches. So I'll remove some keycaps on, without fast forwarding or anything, and then obviously I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to watch absolutely every single keycap that I rip off. They're actually very easy to come off. I really enjoy how easy that is. Hopefully nothing gets damaged. Hopefully you guys can see properly. I don't know if we'll be able to fit this one in all the way. Yeah, they're pretty easy to rip off. Alright, so let's just go ahead and take these off here now. Oops. You gotta make sure it's in properly. If not, you're not going to be able to get the keycap out. Perfect. These are the keys that we are working with. If you guys can see it, sort of. I don't know. Where's the iPhone screen? Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a nice little blue. Oops. It's a nice little blue. So hopefully I can put this in properly. I'm going to look at the other one. I'm not sure how this is going to go. But let's see if we can fit this in. Did that go in properly? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that went in properly or not. It might have. I don't know. I'll be able to tinker with it a bit more. The sound still won't change, obviously, because it's not the keycaps themselves that make the noise. It's the brown switches, so that still sounds the same. Hopefully that's in all the way. Let's get the next keycap out. I really wanted keycaps that didn't have any kind of like any writing on them. I think this is the next key. Hopefully, no. I forget what these are called. They're not. They're just plain keycaps, and I love the way they look. That looks really nice. That looks really nice so far. I don't know if the iPhone's picking it up, but that looks really nice right there. Eventually I'll change all these, obviously, all the metal ones, but for now this is what I'm going to do. Next key is the enter key. Let's see if we can properly get this bad boy on. There you go. That one's not on there properly. No siree Bob, it is not. I don't think that's on there properly. One second, let me see if I can take it back out. Man, this video is going to have a lot of cuts. I'm gonna try to make this video under 10 minutes. Hopefully I can do that. How did the enter key go in? This okay, so I think, there we go, that went in properly. So as you guys can see, it's pretty easy to change these. Pretty easy to change these. It's looking pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. It's looking pretty good. And of course, like I've already mentioned, the sound does not change. Now let's go ahead and do these bottom keys here. And by the way, when you put these in, you can feel when you put the keycap on, you push hard enough and you can feel it go in to the actual switch. That's how you know. That's how you know that it's in, hopefully at least. If some of them look off, I'll obviously go in and take it out and make sure it's in properly. But they seem to be going in pretty good so far. I'm actually liking a lot how this is coming out. Let's go ahead and put in the function key now. Perfect. They line up nicely. I'm loving the way this is looking. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and put the window key on. As you can tell, these don't. These are just plain keycaps, so they have no. You don't really. You can't really tell what keycap is what. But I mean, I know because that's delete, because that's where the delete is, etc. Last but not least, the Alt key. We are already at, I want to say, 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Beautiful. Looks gorgeous. I love the way that looks. Let me see if I can get this on the iPhone properly. There we go. And you guys can see it up there. Looks nice. Absolutely love the way this looks here. Looks really nice. I'm gonna do on this side. On this side, I think I'm gonna do. I don't know if I should go ahead and do the same blue or if I should keep it like this for now, because I like the way this looks. And this video is already long enough, so I think that's where I'm gonna leave it at. I really like. Actually, I'm gonna, before I end the video, I'm going to make sure. I'm gonna take a look how the LEDs look on it. You won't see any LEDs come through because obviously there's nothing on them, so there won't be any light coming through the actual keycap, but you can still see the LEDs through the cracks, which looks pretty damn good. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that again. That looks pretty good, so let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section down below.